Hi, welcome to Wholeheartedly for the Lord Bible Journaling with Sherry. Today's process video will be in my faith planner. This is the weekly setup. I'll be using strips and bits and pieces from a paper pack that I got from Michael's. It's a Christmas paper pack, which I love all the elements in it, and I have been dying to use them. I've also be using the Print, Pray, and Slay dolls because this is the kickoff of the Print, Pray, and Slay week. Last week was Vin Von Valet principles. I'm using this opportunity, Lord spare my life, to go through the end of the year and get most of my principles utilized so that when the new year comes, I won't have digital download overload. And it's just a great way for you guys to see some of the principles that I have and use in the different companies that I use. You see which ones I use, but to see them kind of like sectioned off in their own specific weeks, it's also good to see because you get an opportunity to see them all at once during the week. Thank you for watching, and remember, if I can Bible journal, so can you. Thank you for watching, and take care. Instead of always having my elements on the outside of my faith planner, I decided to kind of juxtaposition the elements inside of the journaling boxes or inside of the space. And I'm going to add a journaling card anyway inside, just in case I need more room to journal, just to have something a little bit more creative, something to move my eyes around the page and not be so symmetrical. Here I decided to cut a piece of the square from my Christmas cardstock pad, and I'm just going to put it in there, plop it in there. I thought it looks nice decoratively, and then I can have space to write journaling notes behind it. And then here I just use, it's cardstock, I printed it out, I cut and pasted Print, Pray, and Slay doll. I typed up the word reflections in a nice little cursive font and add some Christmas washi tape at the bottom. I can add extra notes in case my space runs out. Here I'm not too concerned about the dates because wherever I write, I'm going to write the date, so I'm not concerned about the dates to the left if it matches or not, because I do keep track of the dates when I actually do write. And so I cut off some different pieces from the leftover cardstock Christmas paper, and I'm just putting them on the paper just to add a little bit more decorative flair to it. Michael's had a sale on their planners, and I decided to get this cute little planner. Oh my goodness, I really wanted one for my purse. Even though I keep a lot of things on my phone and get the notifications, I just like to sometimes see things visually. If I'm at appointments for my son or myself and I need a quick glance, I can just pull this out of my purse. It has a to-do list, it has errands to run, bills to pay. It also has like emails, calls to make. I mean, everything I need in one section, and that is just great for my purse because I'm always on the go with my son and his activities. And sometimes I'm sitting in the car and I can just jot down some things. I can make some phone calls and things like that, and I just have the planner right there. Or sometimes if I'm speaking to someone, I can just flip open the planner and let them know, yes, I'm available that day or he's available that day. So I'm excited to fill that up. And then this, you know about my Christian planner. So what I plan to do for 2020 is use this strictly for church because it has a sermon section, a Bible study section, and I just can keep it all in one place. Whereas this one is more of a day-to-day in my purse on the go calendar that I'll be using, and then this one is my faith planner that I will be using for my daily readings or any devotions and things like that. I can just jot down my focus thought for the day. Thank you for watching, guys, and take care. And let me know in the comments below if you plan to use a planner this year, and if you plan to decorate it. Do you plan to use a faith planner or whatever it may be? I thought I would never get into a faith planner, but I actually love it because I love writing and I love reading. So this is just like a perfect combination of the two, that they get married together in my faith and walk with Christ. Thank you for watching, and take care.